This is another talk of the morning walk, and today I like to talk on how to study less and study smart. This is the fourth part of the video, how to study less and study smart. If you want to go to all the videos, just go to the playlist with the title how to study less and study smart. You will find the varied aspect, the varied skills that are needed to learn well, to read well and do well in the examinations. Sometimes we have seen that there are certain students who work hard day in and day out, but their performance in the examination is not up to the mark, and perhaps their problems can be resolved by following these tips, following these techniques. So today I like to talk on the process of retaining a lot of information. Generally, our brain is framed in such a way that we cannot store all the information for a longer point of time. Sometimes we are not able to retain the phone number of a particular person unless we recite for sometimes, unless we review for sometimes. So it is quite needed that we need to recite and review of whatever we study, whatever we read. So this is quite important, and most of the students are oblivious of these techniques. They just read and read. They never try to recite or review after some days. So whatever the students should read, they should recite and review. And generally, as I have already talked about in my first video, that there should be a 5 minutes break after 25 minutes or 30 minutes of reading, and during that time one can recite, and that can be quite useful for the retentions of a lot of information, facts, figures and different sort of necessary materials required for the purpose of examinations and different and discussions and debate forums. So the most important point, as I have already talked about, whatever we read, we need to read actively, as I have talked about in the third part of the video. Here we need to recite it after the elapse of certain time. We need to recite all those informations, all those things that we have studied through the process of the notes, and also after some days, after a week or a month, we need to review that, so that whatever information or whatever we read, that can be stored in the brain, that can be stored in the long-term memory, and we can use that in the different forum. So different aspects of the life, as for example examinations, especially from the students' point of view, examination is most important, so they can use that for the purpose of examination. So the most important point here is, whatever you read, whatever the students should read, they should recite it, they should remember it after a day or two, and again they need to review all those informations after a week or months, and they can do well in the examination. Thank you so much.